Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the file could not open in the protected view in your Microsoft Excel. So let's start the video. First of all, go to the file that you are having the problem issue and go to the file option here, and here you can see the option more. Click that option more and select option, and after that this window will pop up. Here you can see trust center. Click that option and now click trust center settings here, and after that go to this option protected view, and here all you have to do is uncheck all these three. After unchecking it, just click OK and select OK and reopen your file that you are having problem, and your problem will be fixed. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.